Hey guys, good morning. I'm Moyen from Chachukang Community Garden. So I'm going to work on the decompost bin now. So decompost bin, what I have got ready is things like this one here. Alright, so I have a bag and a bin. So I will flip the camera to see what is actually inside the bag and inside the styrofoam box. This is my box with the lid on it. So I have collected this from the market. Let me show you what is inside. So the lid is just fitting. Right, let me see. I already placed the dry leaf inside. Inside the box, I poke 2 holes. Right. Then I plug the wood inside. My intention is try not to let the creepy crawly crawl in, and in case of any discharge, it can go out from there. So that will be also my water drainage point. Alright. So the rest of the base is actually no hole in it, but the side there's many holes. Alright, it's for ventilation purposes. So this is my first layer. I have gotten ready the watermelon from my house. So I will try to do kitchen waste, the eggshells and coffee from my house also, and also some soil in the garden, and also the leaves. Right? So let's get started to layer them. So the first layer of leaves is down, covering the whole area. I think it's just a thin layer. I didn't put a thick layer in it because there's some other material is going to be in also. I have scattered a layer of soil inside, so I'm going to continue to scatter it, so I don't quite worry about the root and all. Just go in. So this is my carbon layer. Alright, so the leaf is a nitrogen layer, now it's a carbon layer from the soil. So in my soil, I noted that there is earthworm. So yeah, the earthworm is our friend. Make sure we add some earthworm inside. So hopefully earthworm will be happy inside the compost bin and help us break down the organic materials and also produce the poop for us. I saw another earthworm there, right? So I'm going to put this earthworm together into my soil. So I try to cover up the entire surface with soil. So this layer of carbon got to cover up the waste. But I think I have not enough soil there. I may have to go to the kitchen waste now. Pick up the coffee and just scatter inside. Pick up the coffee again, scatter inside. Okay. Break up the eggshell. I should use my leg to press. One more tea bag I've collected over time. Scatter inside. So this bag, I better go and press, step on it, then it will be faster, right? So fine. Can go in now. That's all the eggshells we are going to put inside the compost bin for now. So next we will go to handle the watermelon waste. I realized the watermelon waste was like decomposting quickly. So yeah, a lot of juice inside. So I think I don't want to bring the juice into the compost bin. I better mix it with some soil before I bring it in. Alright. So So I'm at my gardening bed. I finished mixing them with the soil. So this is the pot I have, and this is my little tomato growing. That was one more tomato there. So I tried not to go too near the root, so that it won't create too much acidic to the root. So now I'm going to put this into the bin. Okay, unpack it first, put it into the bin. So this is the mixture of the wastewater melon and the soil in my gardening bed. So I'm going to transfer it into the compost bin. I've just poured all the watermelon mix inside my compost bin, so I'm going to distribute it thinly, a layer on the soil. Cover up the whole thing, it should be good. So it's my nitrogen plus carbon layer. The nitrogen itself doesn't seem to be working because it's too wet. I scared I will kill the worm. Right? So that layer is done. Let me go with another layer of eggshell. So let me just gather them in. Okay, so my eggshell is done. Next, I'm going to layer it with a layer of soil, alright, to cover up. The soil is in the bin now. Just quickly show you the earthworm before it disappears into the soil. That is my bin with a few earthworms inside. Okay. So this one I have my remaining of the leaf. I think I just put inside, no harm, right? Okay, my compost bin is done. I'm going to cover it up and put it away. I have added in another layer of soil on this compost bin, so I suppose it's better, alright, instead of just the leaf itself. So it looks like this. I'm going to store it in this shaded place with the lid on. Hopefully it will compost nicely. So that's all for today. See you all again on the next episode of Composting. Bye.